Hello everyone, this is Himanshu, and today I'll be discussing about exploratory data analysis. So this is the given dataset, sample SuperStore, and we will be discussing about, as a business manager, we'll try to find out the weak areas where we can work more to attain more profit, right? So first of all, discuss what is the exploratory data analysis. It's a technique to understand the various aspects of the data, and then we have to make sure that the data should be clean with no duplicate and null values. Should be clean for our analysis. Let's jump into the Jupyter notebook here. So to see what we are doing here. So yes, I have imported the important libraries like Pandas, Numpy, Seaborn, and Matplotlib, etc. After that, I'll be reading in the file. So we can see some numerical and categorical data here, and we'll go for top and bottom 5 rows. After that, we'll look for df.shape, and there is 9994 columns and rows. By this, we can see the column and rows. After that, we can see the general info of the data about the data types and all the columns here. We can also include this for loop here so that we can check all the columns. If there are more columns, then it will go for all the columns, right? And the important part is the data cleaning. And before going to the data cleaning part, I would also like to add that I have created this dashboard, Tableau dashboard, which is the interactive one. And by here we can see different zones, regions. So it is basically, actually it is primarily the profit based data, right? So let's get into this later. First, we'll jump to our data, right? The data cleaning part. In data cleaning part, we'll go. This video might take a long because I have created the dashboard also. So, anyways, the data cleans, we look for the null values, then duplicates. Duplicates, there are 17 rows. We'll delete all of them, drop all of them by giving this command, drop underscore duplicates. In place true, I have given this in place true. So, we can see this is the data, like after the after dropping this, right? 9977 rows we are getting, right? It means we have removed our duplicacy. Now the main part is this is not recommended, but you can do. We can do this. I have dropped the column and postal code because it is not that necessary, right? Because the country is same and postal code is not required. Now I have also included the profit percentage. As far as this project is concerned, it is not that much required, but I have included a profit percent. You can see here, right? Now go to this statistical data analysis, and by describe function, we can see here that if we go the index and index, we see the top index, and here we can see the New York City is the top one, and the California, state-wise California, and region is the West. We will see later in our data, like we can refer to our Tableau. We can see, right, in West, it is doing more, right, profit-wise, 108, right? So let's get back to our data. Yeah. So now the main thing is the exploratory data analysis. The first is we will be discussing about the category, best-selling category amongst all. So it is technology, no doubt, right? After that, we will go for the graphs. I have made some Seaborn graphs here, subplots. So we can see here that the furniture sales are satisfactory, but profit is very less. Contrary to that, we can also see the technology is doing great by selling lesser items comparatively. So next is the second best-selling and profitable subcategory. So we can see the phones, chairs, storage. These are the sales. These are the subcategories and top on the sales, right? And also we can do this same for the profit, right? And this is the graphs. But surprisingly, we can see the tables are not doing that good. It is making loss here, right? We will see later. After that, we will also import this pie chart for better insights. But pie charts are not that much recommended as compared to the bar graphs, because you can see here it is showing the percentage of 14%, 14%, And here is the marginal difference of, if we talk about sales, yeah, there's a difference, but marginal. That's why it is showing 14%. We are running out of time. Let's go jump into this third day, which is the top selling subcat quantitative wise, sorry. So binders, papers, furnitures, phones, you can see, and we have also seen that earlier, the described method, the binders are the, the top set category product, right? This is the graph. Now, the most profitable segment, and consumer, no doubt, is the profitable, followed by corporate segment and then home office. And if we talk about ship mode, this is not that required, but yeah, we can go for it. And ship mode is a standard class. A standard class is the highest. We have also seen this in our describe method, right? And now the sixth is the topmost region with respect to profitability. So if I go and look, there is West, right? West from the easily we can see, and from the dashboard also we can look. West is the highest, right? Yeah. There are KPI donuts I have created. You can see West is the highest, followed by East, South, and Central, right? Now we can see other analysis part. This is the pair plots, and we will see this which subcategory has the highest discount. We can also consider this factor, but this is not that recommended because for instance, if we see binders are the most discounted one, and they also comes under top five profitable items. So the discount is not that huge deciding factor, right? And now we see the top 10 cities. We can see them. The New York is doing well, pretty well as far as sales is concerned. Okay, now as a business manager, I have made some recommendation to the superstore to our stakeholders so that they can get this data and have insight and do what they can to make more profit. Like focus on technology and consumers also, consumers corporate segment, and because they have covered 70% of the customer base. And most importantly, we can target the customers from this east and west both regions, right? And last but not least, this to attain more profit, we can suggest that the stakeholders of Superstore to collect the data from the top customers of their store and provide them a better deal, better discount to to attract them, right? So this is it, and this is the dashboard. Finally, yes, this is the dashboard. You can see Texas state-wise data is here. Texas is doing pretty bad, right? This is a profit, basically profit-based data. So all other states here, and you can click here, and you know the South region will come up. This red one is the technology, right? So this is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Signing out. Thank you.